Contact center executives, managing a hybrid workforce, face crucial challenges: efficiency and data security. That's where Evertrack comes in. Evertrack is your key to boosting operational efficiency and security through data-driven insights. Experience AI-driven automated supervision and make smarter decisions using advanced data analytics tailored to your needs. Ensure tasks align perfectly with roles, enhancing service quality and operational efficiency. Support your team's productivity and well-being with self-management reports, fostering a healthy and motivated hybrid workforce. Effortlessly manage your hardware and software inventory, keeping your technological resources in check. Protect your operations against risks with robust digital security, ensuring a safe work environment. Empower your team to reach new heights with the insights and tools provided by Evertrack. Contact our business team and experience firsthand all the benefits your operation will gain.